financial industry needs to come on board. There is no other way for blockchain and these business models to go mainstream without the financial industry. We are seeing enormous amounts of demand from our financial institutions, traditional players who say, how do I get in there and provide solutions that my consumers are asking for?
Crypto means business. Together with regulatory clarity, we'll make sure that transparency and trust are the bedrock of what crypto is built on.
I'm a big proponent that we should be regulating activity, but not technology. We end up all tied up in thinking about crypto. We ignore some of the real benefits that can bring on a B2B level through moving value around the world.
Most of us here are all trailblazers to these technologies. We came onto the Ripple net first and then found a case with the ODL and then moved to the next level.
It's absolutely huge. We can scale up, scale down. We know when our peaks are and we can give the Ripple team a heads up. It's just an incredible, liberating process. We want to grow. There's no roadblocks to that.
A lot of banks are saying we are tech companies giving financial solutions. It's not the fiat world and the crypto world. It's all embedded.
One of the things that we find very important about blockchain, and specifically XRP, is this ability to have individuation for these carbon credits as they come through. That's super important to developing the carbon market.
I truly think that CBDCs will be an enabler of innovation. There's literally endless potential use cases.
Your courage to build with us is helping create a game-changing infrastructure that really better the world.
Good morning, 10:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Thursday, December 22nd, 2022. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. As we can see, the Dow's down over 450 points this morning. The S&P's down 70.77, and the NASDAQ is down over 279 points, over 2.61%. So it's down twice as big as the Dow. As you know, the Dow just broke back down under 33,000. And we've got the NASDAQ only 429 points now, over 10K. So we're getting to these crucial levels. The S&P broke down under the critical 4,000 point level yesterday. And now we're seeing the reversal. So we have to pay attention to that. We've got the US dollar currency index, like we talked about yesterday, having a little pump up here today. I thought it could come up here and try to at least retest the 105 spot, 1.8, and then we'll see if we can go up any farther than that. But I thought that was in the near future. We've got crude oil down 0.47%. We've got gold down $18.75 an ounce, or 1.05%, broke back down under 1,800. We've got silver breaking back down under 24, down 1.47%. So after some nice rallies yesterday, we are in fact reversing pretty hard today. I talked about how the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ all looked like they were pulling a 50% retracement as they were down better than 2,000 points. And at one point, it had come back about 1,000 points for the Dow, within the last couple days from the bottom. And now it's reversed back down and giving away almost all the 540-point gains from yesterday. We're down 460 points this morning. So we're 441. So that's what we're watching today. We've got platinum down 0.62%, down under the 1,000 handle at 990 spot 70. And we've also got copper back down under the $4 mark to 3 spot 769. I don't even know if it ever got over 4. It was close. Over here, I think it no, it never did break it. There was only 1 point when it came close, but no, it never did break it back again. So it's at 3 spot 769 per pound, down 1.20%. We got the total crypto market cap reversing back down 8.6 billion to 760.5 billion, at down 1.12%. Total crypto market cap, I think, is trying to come down here and retest this 724 billion, but it remains to be seen if we're going to break down. But we have not been able to pull anything out of the 20-day, and we should have stayed over 770 billion, or at least 768 billion. But as you can see, it doesn't even look like we're done breaking down yet, in my humble opinion. But you never know. We could pull some red candles, but it looks some green candles, but it looks very bearish this morning. Bitcoin's down another 164 points, back down to the 16,660 level, which is actually a very important level because this uptrending support is actually right here at 16,525. We'll say 16,500 in the area. And then we had this resistance we really needed to break yesterday, as I've talked about, at 16,900 approximately. We once again look like we're starting to reverse back down. And if that's the case, we might actually play out this weekly time frame, and it looks very bearish in the weekly. As we're still waiting for these, let me go back into the USD, this one. As we're still waiting for the 50 and the 100 to cross the 200, and this looks like it needs another impulse to the downside, and I have a targeted move. If this plays true, 11,657 would be that targeted move, although it did break up a tiny bit, so we could remeasure that around just about 12,000, but the point remains the same. XRP, as you can see, XRP, let me go back into we'll go into the 30-minute for XRP so you can see what we failed to do yesterday and the day before. So basically, we're on an attempt. If we could have broke up high enough, we were going to try to test the 371 breakdown point of the symmetrical triangle. Unfortunately, we've never been able to get back above. We would still have to break the 351 level as well to get up there. But what we've done, if you look at this, we got rejected by the 348. And a rejection of the 348 could bring us right back down to the 335 level, which is right down here below. And then if you break the 335, that is when all hell can break loose, as there's multiple levels in between. But it's not pretty. You can see down here, if the 335 breaks, you've also got the 321 level. So 335, 321. And then it gets even worse from there. I mean, like, it gets devastating. I'm just trying to show you all the charts so you can see exactly what's going on. But once you break the 335, then you've got approximately it all depends which one you want to use. I believe you got the 335, you got the 308. We've also got underneath before the 308, this 321. So if we break 335, then 321 is the next support that I would be worried about. If that breaks, then we got bigger problems. Much bigger problems. And I'm just trying to show you guys the whole chart, because if we do break down, eventually we're going to get down here into the bottom of the pattern around 16 cents. And even, well, bottom of the pattern projection within the formation. But there's a lot of stuff going on here. I mean, look at all these. You break down the 335, the 318, the 308, then you got 287. It's a nightmare. This is a nightmare. We're running out of support areas if we were to break down. And I'm trying my best to keep you guys as informed as possible day by day. You got a 321. So you got 335, 321, 318, 308, 287, or 2865 are your real areas we're testing with. I mean, we really are. And the one thing you should pay attention to in this update, and I know there's a lot of information, so you probably have to watch this twice. If we do break up at the 351, so the 351 is a very important level. But what you should keep your eye on right now is what you see in this USDT spot chart. This is the rejection point at the 348. We could not get above 348, which means we can't get to 351, which means we can't break our way out. So 348 to 355. Yes, the 351 is a small little point, but 355 is ultimately where we're trying to get if we could break this. We'll say 349 now that we're rising. But I still like saying 348 just because of the area. But you can see we're on the back side of this, and a rejection here and a loss of the 335. Look out below. I've shown you every support level below that. And it's not going to be pretty at all. You can see rejection showing there. Couldn't even make it all the way up there. I mean, this doesn't look great, folks. And then the 321 and the 335 is the most important level. If you're considering joining Tom's Army, make sure you look in the video description below. As the best pitch I can give you is I do no paid advertising. I accept no paid promotions, no special interest, and I don't get paid to talk about content. Nobody pays me to tell me what to say about XRP or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, or any markets. This is not bought and paid for by anybody else but the members of Tom's Army who sponsor this update, the 214 members. If you too would like to sponsor this update by joining Tom's Army, and paying it forward by showing me the support of $9.99 a month. You simply come down here, you click on the More button, and then you see Tom's Army, XRP Future Millionaire. It goes here. I'm a member for over a year of my own army. That's the new 12-month badge right there, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And these are the membership badges as you go. You got the 1 month me being abducted by aliens. Month 2, or your second month is Dusty's Outhouse Crypto News badge. The third badge is the XRP Meteor coming to Earth. The fourth badge is the XRP Predictor. And then the 12-month badge, or the 1-year badge, is the I Told You So XRP badge. So all those are for you. You also get the exclusive Telegram for joining. There's multiple layers to that Telegram, and it's a spectacular thing. So I thank the members of Tom's Army who show me the support each and every day and sponsor this episode. MaxC, if you want to join me on an exchange, they have no VPN, no spot fees, no KYC. In the USA, there's futures up to 200x, and I suggest that or BitGet because there's no spot fees, and I want you to learn from my mistakes. When I first started out, I was paying extraordinary spot fees on UPHOLD, didn't know an alternative, didn't understand it as well as I do now. So learn from my mistakes. Buy it from BitGet or MaxC, depending on where you live, and then send it to UPHOLD if you so choose, your native wallet. There's no reason to pay spot fees on crypto in this day and age on the buy or sell. Hashtag the FUD stops here.